Hi, if you remember on our last video, we talked about illegitimate children or yung tinatawag natin ngayon na non-marital children. There's a question, attorney, pwede po bang gamitin ng illegitimate child or ng non-marital child ang surname o ang apelido ng kanyang father? So the answer is, under the family code, pwede. Yes, no? Sabi ng family code, the illegitimate child or the non-marital child may use the surname of the father if he acknowledged the child in his birth certificate, if he acknowledged or recognized the child in any private or public instrument. No, attorney, paano kung, let's say for example, ako, father, merong biglang nag-claim na anak ko daw siya, illegitimate child ko daw siya, or non-marital child ko daw siya. Can I, being the father, question the filiation? Or can I question that assertion made by the child? The answer is yes. Sa batas natin, sa family code, only the father can question the filiation of an illegitimate child.